are about to bring Akon back right now.
Menteri Katna Dona ke Sorkar Pedeng Ujoti Raditya Scindia haringkat Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad ke Sangma Hagakat Santarik Unai Wieng kila pynbna Hakatamasa Cherry Blossom Festival banbu ya umau nongrim na kebenta bente ya ke Skywalk project hakas nong Mawkdok East Khasi Hills. Ka Mawkdok kade ke jaka jengok kai ke bapau kemat bha bat kade ke jaka ke bagi nongwan syangkai perthei ki jusange habagi lit jengok syakatan sokra. Mawkdok la bansaki ya kajing itnat jong kathem bala penlong da kilum ki bajerngam bat ki ba itnat na baro arliang. Kani ka Skywalk project kade ka senjam ke bakongsan bala shim da ka sorkar na ka benta ban kentiu shu ya ka kam jungok kai perthei ha kani ka than. Ka kam jungok kai perthei kade ka benta ka bakongsan bha ha baro ki rukam trekam ka jongi na ka benta ka than. Ngikermen skam bakatna dona kan yai beteng ban ajing kershan ban kentiu ya ka kam jungok kai hapo ka than ong Menteri Rangba Kejela. Ha ba penpau ba ka sorkar ka don ya ka jing themu ban kentiu ya ka Meghalaya hakmat ka perthei Conrad ulo ongru baka jingat lang bat ka Japan kalong ka bakerpang bha bat kan kentiu ya kani katamasa sya ka kerdan ka bathamai ulo ong baka jingat lang bat ka Japan kan penla ya ka perthei bakan tip syapang ka Meghalaya ka Kolshor jongka bat ka jingadei ka bajan jongka bat ki weipat kiri jongka doba Asia. Chief Minister ulo ai kublai kerpang ya ka Japan ka balabu ya ka Japan arena ha ka te ka jaka penlong tamasa ka bapen I ya ki jinga pher ha ka Kolshor ki jingbam ka tem ka put bat karwai ka siaw nalor ki kam yalek ka sports.
Iconic project which is Skywalk in Mawkdok area and would like to thank the Honourable Minister for having sanctioned this particular project and the great honour that he is himself laying the foundation for this particular iconic Skywalk project at Mawkdok. Thank you very much.
Haba pynbna halor ka jingpli ya ka Japan arena Menteri Katna Dona Ujoti Raditya Scindia ulaong kalong kabasngotan nat shibun bandan ha ka jaka ha Meghalaya bansakhi ya ka bor ba ka jingmen jong kipat ba ka than shatei la mingi ngasngo komen bansakhi ya ka ni katamasa Cherry Blossom kabala nang shim ya ka kerdan ka bathamai ai khuble ya ka Japan halor ka jingadei ka bajan bat ka India. Scindia ulaya ru ya Menteri Rangba Kejela halor ka jingalam ka jong ban kentiu ya kita masa kum ka Cherry Blossom ngampat jusaki ya ka bakum ka ni ka kerdan jong ka bor ha kinu kita masa bat concert ha India ka buram kalet sha Conrad bat sha ki pa ba Kejela Meghalaya benrap Scindia ula ongru ba ka Meghalaya kamde benlong tang ka nongba jong ka put ka tem ha India Henry na ka benta ka doba Asia.
On the stage here with me your loving Chief Minister Conrad. Come on, give it up to him. There's a sound of applause for him. Our Deputy CM, our Tourism Minister, and to all of you, 4 cheers to you. I have not seen this level of energy at any concert in India that I'm seeing here at Cherry Blossom. So it's great to be here. It's great to be amidst this huge amount of energy. You have a towering figure like my friend Conrad leading this whole charge in Meghalaya. Hats off to him and hats off to you guys. Meghalaya is the abode of the clouds. And that's what one feels when one is here. Tremendous amount of energy, tremendous amount of tourism potential. And I'd like to say to all of you that Meghalaya is not only the abode of the clouds, but Meghalaya is the capital of music. Music for India and music for the rest of Asia. So I don't want to come between yourselves and what's going to come onto the stage tonight. Let's all have a great time. Thank you very much.
Ha kani katamasa kabalalong habhay rembong Ribhoy district lasaki ya jingwan ya shimbenta ki kenhuan nong tem nong rwai bapau nam ka perthei ka bakenthop ya u ikon ka kenhuan balarim ka boni em nalor ki weipat bat ka bala khringi pat ba na kaleng ka than shate la mingi bat na ki benta ba pher jong kari.
She's crazy like a fool. What about Daddy Cool? I'm crazy like a fool, yeah. What about a guy? tell you what, this one right here.